This is Lauren Brantley, owner and CEO of Lauren Ashley Design, and I want to welcome you to our Christmas rendered event. And today we'll be going over the dining room. And the dining room is completely open to the kitchen. It's more designed like a sunroom with the completely open glass windows to the back patio. And as you can see, it flows nicely into the kitchen and the living area, keeping everything open. As we move into 2021, I feel like we're going to continue with those open concept areas. But like I said in the previous post, you still want to make everything feel intimate. So that's what we've done by using various textures throughout the space. You'll see that each chair has a different material of wood or some are metal, and that creates a sense of warmth throughout the space. And also using the large scale pottery barn style table helps as well. And you also see the cabinetry in the back is a traditional style, which brings in the traditional meets modern style that is throughout the home. And I hope you enjoy this peek at the Christmas rendered home for the dining room, and will join me throughout as we continue to unveil the Christmas decorations for our Christmas rendered home. Next week will be the living room. As you can see, we're not quite done with the living room. Next week will be the finished reveal of the living room. So please join us next week as we reveal the living room.